Good afternoon, class. Today we'll be talking about polynomials. We'll be talking about polynomials. So we say a polynomial is a mathematical expression with variables, comma, coefficients in bracket numbers, and exponential powers and a non-negative powers. E.g. and in non-negative powers, e.g. 3s square minus 4x minus 3, 4x3 minus x plus 3. So we have etc. So we want to look at evaluation of polynomial. Polynomials. We have example number one. We have if P1 of x equals to 3x raised to power 3 minus 2x squared minus x plus 1, find A P1 of 2, then B P1 of minus 3. So number 2, we'll be looking at if f of x equal to 2x3 minus x squared minus 1, find A f1 of B f of minus 1, then C f of 0. So let's look at the solutions to this. Let's look at the solutions. Number 1, we have P1 of x equal to 3x raised to power 3 minus 2x squared minus x plus 1. So the first question said that we should look for P1 of 2. So it means that anywhere we see x, we are going to substitute 2. So here will be 3 into 2 raised to power 3 minus 2 raised to power 2 minus 2 plus 1. So here will be 3 into 8 minus 2 into 4 minus 2 plus 1. So here will be 24 minus 8 minus 2 plus 1. So our final answer will be what? 15. So we are going to look at B part of the equation. Okay, we are going to look at B part of the equation. So B say that we should look for P P1 of 3. So P1 of 3 will be equals to 3 into 3 square minus 2 into 3 square minus 3 plus 1, which is 3 into 9 minus 3 into 3 cube, 3 into 27, 3 times 3 times 3, 27, minus 2 into 3 times 3, 9, minus 3 plus 1. So 3 times 27, 81, minus 18, minus 3 plus 1. So 81 minus 18, we have 63. 63 minus 3, we have 60. So here we have 61. So we are going to look at number 2. Yes, number 2. Say f of x equals to 2x3 minus x squared minus what? 1. So we have f of 1. We have f of f of 1. We have f of 1. Sorry, we have f of 1. So f of 1 will be 2 into 1 raised to power 3 minus 1 raised to power 2. So it will be 2 into 1 minus 1 minus 1. So it will be 2 minus 1 minus 1. So here will be what? 0. So B part now say that f of minus 1 will be 2 into minus 1, 3, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. So this is 2 into minus 1, plus 1, minus 1. 2 into plus 1. 2 into minus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So minus 2 plus 1 minus 1. So my answer will be minus 2. So C part now say f into f of 0. So let's look at f of 0. F of 0 is 2 into 0, 3 minus 0 square minus 1. So this is 2 into 0 minus 0 minus 1. So the answer will give us minus 1. So we are going to look at further examples. We're going to look at further examples. Example 2. Example 2. Now example 2. Example 2. If example 2, if f of x equals to 2x squared minus 3, comma, find a given that f of a equals to f of a equals to 15. So let's look at this. So we have this number 1. So number 2, if p of x equals to 3x squared plus 1, find m given that p of m equals to 9. So let's look at the following solutions. So we have the solution. We have f of x equals to 2x squared minus 3. Then a Now say we should look for f of a equals to 15. So it means that anywhere we see a, x will put a. So here it becomes 2 open bracket a square minus 3 equals to what? 15. Good. So 2a square minus 3 equals to what? 15. Collect like terms. So there will be 2a square equals to 15 plus 3. So there will be 2a square equals to 18. So a square equals to 18 over 2, which is 9. So a becomes square root of 9, which is 3. So the next one, we have in our next one, we have number 2. Number 2, we have p of x equals to 3x squared plus 1. So we have pm equals to 9. So substituting, so here will become 3 raised to power m square plus 1 equals to 9. 3 raised to power m square plus 1 equals to what? 9. So here will be 3m square plus 1 equals to 9. Collect like terms. 3m square equals to 9 minus 1. So 3m square equals to what? 8. So m square equals to 8 over 3. So which is 2.67. So m equals to square root 2.67. So thank you very much.